Naomi Osaka, women tennis player, was born on October 16, 1997 in Chaoku in Japan to Tamaika Osaka and Leonard Francisco. She has an older sister named Mari, who is former professional tennis player. Osaka's father was eager to teach his daughters tennis. He was motivated to make his daughters professional tennis player. And in the field of tennis, Williamson daughters who became one of the greatest tennis players, and they were the epitome. The way Richard Williamson trained his daughters was inspirational. Osaka's father knew that if he follows the footsteps of Richard Williamson, his daughters can become the next big thing in the world of tennis. Naomi and Mary both were settled in USA to get the opportunity and flourish in the sport and go from strength to strength as they always had the potential and to maximize, so they practiced on Pembroke Penny's public court. Naomi began working with Patrick Stoma at ISP. Naomi's family was adamant on the decision that Naomi and Mary will represent Japan. Though they were trained in the USA, they always had the patriotic feeling towards Japan. It was never the financial factor that influenced them to take up the sport. The decision of playing for Japan was motivated when USA Tennis Association did not show any interest when Naomi was young. Later, USTA offered her the chance to practice in Boca Raton when she was 16. She did not pay any heed to that. Naomi's achievements include 4 Grand Slam, having won 2 Grand Slam each at US 2018 and 2020 and Australian Open 2019 and 2021. In the year 2011-2015 WTA Tour win at the age 16, top 50, 2016 first FTA final, newcomer of the year, top 50. Naomi has overall 7 titles with her and she has always been among the ranks. She was number 1 in January and 2019, number 2. Naomi has been among the marketable athletes and she always has proved herself by achieving accolades for the nation. Osaka represented national team in the Fed Up Cup in 2017 as it was her debut, and followed by her debut in Hopman Cup 2018 as it was the moment of pride and honor for her parents. Osaka is an aggressive player and has tremendous skills. Osaka can hit the ball 160 kilometers per hour. Osaka has been successful in winning long rallies, and one of the most important occurrences in which this strategy helped her to qualify for the first WTA final at 2016 Pan Pacific Ocean. It was Osaka's mental approach that helped her to become more consistent as she made a breakthrough season in 2018. Patience and positive approach helped her in each game. After winning the first round of French Open 2021, she decided to skip a press conference, and for that, fine was imposed on her. She has been suffering from depression for 3 years, and she made it clear well in advance before the tournament that she would not face obligatory press conference as the question asked by journalists just affects her mental state, and that's why she has decided to back off from the French Open. Naomi does not want other people to get distracted and lose their concentration, as she gave her justification very gracefully after withdrawing her name from French Open. Naomi believes that French Open will be end-lived as she has called quit. All her fans will hope that she will be back on the road soon and continue re-rendering her services for this beautiful sport.